Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy crypto on Fusion Markets. And right now I'm using a demo account on Fusion Markets with the MetaTrader 5 web browser. And it's quite simple guys, because it works exactly the same for a live account. For now, what we need to do, or what you need to know, is if you click here on symbol and we go back, you will see this screen. Then right now, if you click here on crypto, you will find right here all the crypto that we can buy. So let's say we want to buy some Ethereum. So we click now on Ethereum. Then what we're going to do right now is we select here on new order and then we fill in the volume that we want to buy. I want to buy 1 volume of Ethereum. Then we can create a stop loss by clicking here on the plus, or create a take profit if you want to do this. And after that, the only thing that you need to do is just click right here on buy by market. Now, if you can see, we just create our own position on the market right there for Ethereum. And that is how you can buy crypto right here on Fusion Markets. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. If you have any questions, please comment them below. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.